Morning and welcome. It's day one in Maui. We are ready and we are heading out for breakfast. We are heading out for breakfast and then we are gonna go for pancake for breakfast, and we're gonna go we'll take you with us basically. The day is so beautiful here in Maui today. There's the ocean and I'll put the link and everything for the resort we are staying in the description box below, so you guys can check that out. And I will also put all the names of everything we do today, places we go, in the description box. But look at this beautiful, it is so pretty today. So the plan for the day today is we're gonna go for breakfast. I come here. We're gonna go for breakfast to a place called Slappy Cakes, and you can basically make your own pancakes there, so it's gonna be fun for Aiden. And then from there we are gonna go pick up our snorkel gear, and the name of the place for the snorkel gear will be in the description box below. And then where are we going?
So we're gonna pick our snorkel from Auntie Snorkel. It's all over the island. I think they have 3 locations, so it's pretty close to where we are staying as well, on the west side of the island. And then from there we are gonna go to see Nakalele blowhole, which is another famous spot. And then after seeing the blowhole, we are gonna stop by Kapalua Bay, which is very good for snorkel. The weather is a little on and off, so we'll see if we are able to snorkel or not, but we are definitely gonna have our gear with us just in case.
And play in the beach.
Yeah, and then for him to play in the beach and have some sun and sand today.
Yeah. And then we'll come back to our hotel, and then we have our dinner reservation called Luau.
Yeah.
Luau. So we'll take you there. That's gonna be a totally separate vlog because it's gonna be mind-blowing. Also, when we reached yesterday, we were like so freaking tired because it was a 12-hour journey, and both for me and Mayang, our ears, you know how they pop and then don't, it started paining. I don't know why, but then it was terrible for us. But then we came home, we rested, we slept early, we ate dinner early, we slept.
And so, I don't think we are jet lagged.
Yeah, we are not jet lagged.
Gummies and we kind of time it in a way so that we are not. So we were able to wake up. We slept at 8 and we woke up at 6. So that's a good sign. We do have few wake ups in the middle of the night.
Yeah.
And then it's a beautiful sunny day today until Friday. And we had to move our whale watching tour from today because the sea had been some choppy conditions due to the wind. So we are gonna go do whale watching on Friday now.
Yeah, so initially
we had
it was
a
today.
day to ourselves actually.
Yeah.
I think things happen for a reason because our flight got delayed. We landed yesterday and we don't have an early 8 a.m. appointment today.
Yeah.
So I think
we also landed one day late. Basically the day we were about to come, the flight got cancelled, so we moved to the next day and we reached here. So one day less vacation, but I think it'll work out for us.
But that's like, we got to do the snow day at our home. If you guys have seen the reel.
Yeah,
if
that
not,
was the best day of the year. I mean, yeah, that was the best. You have to check out the reel for that. And the reel on Instagram and short on story. YouTube. And here is the ride that we rented out for 7 days. This is the ride. Let's go. Eat some yummy pancakes. Ayan, are you ready?
Yeah.
Awesome, let's go.
There's lots of tatas.
Huh? So, Slappy Cakes is literally like 5 minutes from our resort. It's pretty close and it's pretty famous here. So before we came here, we actually googled all famous places to eat, local famous places. So, this is one. That's Slappy Cake.
Turn right into the parking lot.
Wow. Then you choose your toppings and you make it your Okay, so we're gonna do buttermilk, batter, and then we do what? Banana, pineapple, and chocolate chip. Yeah, for you. And then can we also do one loaded potato? Okay. Do you want the bacon? No bacon. I did luck. So this is how the table is. There is the pancake plate here, the grill here that we can cook, and then we ordered everything, whatever we want, like the batter, the toppings, and once it's here, you can start cooking. So we'll show you. circle for right. That's it. एक साइड का अच्छा वो ऐसा करना ऐसा एक को ऐसे कान मतलब ऐसे कान ऐसा V ऐसा कान के ऊपर Daddy making a Peppa Pig for you. Not yet.
Why are you late?
Star shape. Can I put it with the chocolate and white batter? I made a star shape. I didn't made a circle pancake, and Daddy made a Peppa Pig for Aiden. Whoa! What? We don't have to put your hand. Flip it. Whoa! Awesome! Let it be. Let it be. Good job!
Look here.
Wow, it looks like a Peppa Pig, Aiden. Alrighty, so now we are on our way to see the blowhole. We went to pick up our snorkel kit, but those people were so nice, and I'll put the name of the snorkeling place, like the shop from where we were gonna rent, because they were so nice, and they told us the weather today and tomorrow is not good for snorkeling at all, and also because if you're a first timer, it's not safe for you guys. So you guys can come again and pick it up, and they did not charge us. That was like the kindest thing that they could do.
They advise us, even if you get in the water is so murky because of the waves that the visibility is really bad today for snorkeling.
Yeah.
So we may not be able to see much. So we're gonna call them tomorrow and see how the conditions are tomorrow, and then based on that we are gonna pick up either tomorrow or the day after.
Yeah. We are at the blowhole area now, and we are walking there. It's a very rocky road, but it is. Yeah, it says walk at your own risk, but it's beautiful. That's what it says. Enter at your own risk. But look at that. Down here, and look at the blowhole coming up. We came all the way from up there. We came down in the rocky roads, and then now we are here. This is the closest you can get to the blowhole. Look at that.
We're gonna walk.
Hold on, baby.
Let me take a picture.
I think you were so brave the whole. Look at that. Wow. Mind blowing. Now we're in the car. Now we're gonna go to one of the most famous beaches. It's called Kapalua
Starting
Beach.
route to Kapalua Beach. Head northwest on Kahekili Highway.
Hi, did you have fun?
What's that?
Did you have fun, baby?
Yeah.
The blowhole was mind-blowing. Like, I've never seen something so beautiful. Found a perfect spot here under the tree for Aiden to play, and look at the beach. Wow, and the water comes up until here. And look at the water. I've stopped at a place called Island Cafe for lunch, and then we're having like a light lunch, like a sandwich. We're gonna share it and smoothie, and then we're gonna head to the hotel, probably go to the pool for a little bit, and then go to our room and change and get ready for the evening. Is here. Very good. Lemonade?
You can't even take it out.
Yeah.
So thirsty.
Cut this also in half. Like the portion size is so big that all three of us can eat it from here.
And also,
Yeah.
we are trying to eat less so we can eat at more places.
True.
So we're gonna keep it light.
Try different fruits. That's good, right? Only cool down Friday. Very good. We are back to our hotel room. Yes, baby, coming. We are back to our hotel room and okay. Aiden lost his shoes today at the beach. It just, the water suddenly came out of nowhere all the way to where we were sitting, and then it just took his shoes away with him. Yeah, hold on, I'm coming. And then I'm gonna end this vlog now and start a new vlog in the evening, so you don't want to miss that. It's the luau dinner gonna be video, so I'll see you guys in the evening. Until then, bye bye.